that, we are winding down what has been a pretty range-bound day. Not too much on the index, but individual stocks, plenty of action out there. The Nifty looks all set to retire around the 18,600 mark for the day. Just about a 0.25% increase coming in on that index. It was a bank Nifty that kind of was quiet and was being a bit of a spoil sport for the bulls all throughout. Anyway, let's start with the gainer since we do have a green day to start the week. BPCL topping the charts really along with its other cousins IOC and IOC and HPCL. All marketing companies, some very strong moves seen today. Technology came back with a bang. HCL Tech, Infosys, TCS, decent gains, 1% to 2.5%, depending on which stock you're picking up. Some of the power play continued from last week on NTPC. Remember, the stock was pretty active on Friday, and Monday again, 1.7% higher. Adani Enterprises has seen some gains. And then you start kind of trickling out. Some auto stocks like M&M, Hero Moto, Bajaj Auto, they managed to find the buyers all over again. The morning was a little quiet on these stocks, but then they started sort of turning back. Maruti, not quite so. Maruti was down 0.7%. And then, of course, the financials, the big banks. So I guess that's where the bulk of the red was today night.
Well, let's look at the screens, Virbi. You have Suzlon that's up another 10% after the stock doubled from the recent lows. You have Reliance Power as well that's up more than 10% in today's trading session. Pull up a few more names. Jai Bharat Maruti stock locked up 20%. Sheela Foam up close to around 17% in today's trading session. Max India up close to around 15%. And you have Ramco Systems as well. That's up more than 10% in today's trading session. That's sort of a market. When you're doing a market wrap, you can go on and on actually, because in the broader market, Prashant, just take a look at the stocks. There's something like Karma Energy as well that's popped up on the screen up more than 10%. So be a little careful, I would say. But if you got the stock right, well, you're making big returns.
I'm surprised that Reliance Power still manages to, partake in every mid-cap, small-cap rally, even now.
I mean, I'm seeing that Reliance Power name after a while.
Very long.
Today. I mean, but yeah. Absolutely point taken. KPI Green is another one which is up sharply. CMS Info. I mean, some of these, of course, the textile names, Gokuldas, Himmat Singha, Indocount, etc. Jai Bharat, Nigel mentioned. Lumax Tech is another one, I guess, in that space. The shipbuilders, Garden Breach was up sharply. Newland Laboratories was another one, which was higher as well. I mean, a few things down. Go Colors, there was that block. SRF was down. Green Lamb was under pressure. There was an All Cargo, a Precall, a Triveni Turbine. But by the way, it's not as if the market breadth is wildly in the positive or anything. It's some 200 stocks separated gainers and losers. But the fact is, the list of volume-led gainers is once again far longer as compared to what went down, but went down with volumes as well. From all of us here, it's 3:30, end of the market, first day of the week. And it's quiet in the Nifty, mid-caps and small caps, and strong small-cap index almost about 1%. In the green today. From Surbi, Nigel, me, Mangalam, everyone, thanks very much for staying with us here on Closing Bell. But we'll take a break on the other side. Our special show, Give Wings to Your Savings on Mutual Fund Industry, comes up next. Stay tuned for that.